Hi, Mark. Yeah, it is Wednesday, July the 16th, 9:20 a.m. Eastern. US session well underway. Let's have a look how the US dollar is performing uh, just 5, 10 minutes prior to Wall Street opening up. US dollar index, once again, strong demand and higher high, higher low, classic uptrend on the US dollar. And that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 consecutive days testing of US dollar strengthening and resistance now at 98.46, tested lower briefly, 98.11 support, but buyers now looking to test break above the 98.46 resistance level. You'll see how strong this is on the hourly. Did come down earlier in the early European session and finding its way back now. US dollar and looking to test and break above the resistance area. If there is going to be a turnaround from strong dollar to weak US dollar during the US session, which we do often see, I believe this is the area where we would see the turnaround off this current resistance area. Certainly no sign of that at the moment. Let's have a look at how the majors are performing. Euro US, continued dollar strength all the way down. You can see that every day new support at $15.85, testing support right now. If I zoom in on the hourly, you'll see strong US dollar, selling euro, buying US, testing the support level at 115.85. If there's going to be a turnaround, euro strength and selling US dollar may well be off the current support area that we're looking at right now. Let's look at the pound. Pound pretty flat, also in a strong downtrend, selling pound, buying US dollar, strength all the way. Not much today. Tested support again at 133.78, but now sitting around the support area. Let's zoom in on the hourly, and you can see pretty flat, sitting in the middle of today's range at 133.88. You've got support lower, you've got resistance higher. For now, comfortable sitting in that tight range. Sellers of pound, buyers of US will look to test break below the support here at 133.78. Buyers looking for a bounce up off this area to come up and retest above $1.34. Let's have a look at the US yen. I've got the daily strong uptrend, with all the majors, strong US dollar. Tested higher today, made resistance at 149.18, support 148.50, and now a doji candle thick showing uncertainty, sitting at alongside yesterday's close price. If I go to the hourly, there you can see sitting in the middle of the range between 148.50 on the downside and 149.18 on the upside. Let's have a look at the US dollar Canadian. You can see US strength testing right now the 137.30. That has been tested on the 11th of July. It was tested yesterday on the 15th and being tested again today. Buying US, selling Canadian. Buyers of US looking. This is the third attempt. We'll look to break above this resistance at 137.30 and go higher. Sellers of US, buyers of Canadian would look for a turnaround at this level because it has been tough for buyers to break above, and we'll be looking down at the 137.16 support or the 137 area. But for now, US dollar strength and breaking above that resistance level. Good trading, keep that discipline, and I will see you at end of day session.